We're at Ropley on the Watercress Line, Hampshire, UK, viewing the Urie Locomotive Society's latest restoration project.
And that's the baby we're working on. That's the main frame of Urie S15 499.
That fits between the motion plate which we put on and the foot plate platform bracket behind, which is already there. So it was like joining old and new, and it just took a bit of oil on the two faces for it to slip in. It was that good.
Here's the boiler of 499 in the boiler shop at Ropley. It's coming on really well.
Yeah, the tender is out on the head shelf. It's sitting here, being used as a table. This is 499's boiler. The copper welder will be in to finish off welding the laps and filling in some of the last stay holes that need some attention, and then we'll be able to remove the stays and replace them all.
So where is the copper then, Vic? In this I can see the copper filings down the end there, but which bit is copper?
The laps and the inside firebox, all copper.
More heat resistant.
And this is the Urie Society's complete and running S15, number 506. That's in the shed at Ropley, and their intention is to get 2 of them running.
4 wheels on it, well 8 really.
4 axles.
4 axles, yeah. Most of them only have 3. It's a bigger than usual tender. It is a big tender. Yeah, it's almost American style, isn't it?
Well, do you remember what the engineer said down there? He said the Southern didn't have any water troughs, yeah. So they had to have bigger tenders for more water.
Ironically.
Absolutely magnificent.
Well, that's a quick look at the project. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got any spare cash, the Urie Locomotive Society will accept your donations or become a member. They're very, very positive people. Thanks for watching.